Hello, how you doing? You want to live a laptop lifestyle? Here's. You want to do like me all the time? Don't wait for the summer, don't wait for the holidays, don't wait for the weekend. Today is Thursday, and we are here in Cancun, and tomorrow going to Tulum, everywhere. And every day is a holiday, every day we're having fun. So you want to learn the secret? You want to know how to do things? Follow me. Just click and subscribe and hit the bell button and like also. Okay? And keep on watching. You will learn a different style. You will learn the real secrets of how the people making money online in different way. First of all, drop shipping will show you the secrets that nobody is showing you. The secrets that the people is like telling you, okay, well, just buy this product today, you're gonna make money. But they already did like 6 months ago, and this product is expired. It's no more. It's no longer a winning product. It's not gonna work in this channel. This channel, I'm gonna talk to you, but the product is going to happen in 2-3 months from now or 6 months from now. Okay, so you keep on following. I'll show you step by step everything, how you make it happen, how you do it from A to Z, and the little secrets every day, all the time. Each video is going to show you some secrets that nobody ever did show you before. So you will see that this is like, it's amazing, and it's something very special. It's like I said, you always trust the guy with the accent. Okay, keep on following, and please subscribe to my channel. And it's only starting, only getting started. We're gonna be doing a lot of things every time. We're gonna talk about how to make money, the little small things, you know, and the big investments, also how to invest the money you're making, reinvest it, and how to do ads, you know, Facebook ads, Google ads, and everything. I'm gonna show you how to find some free traffic, because there is not such a thing as a free traffic. Nothing is free. You have to pay a little bit to make it happen, but you have to be smart and wise how to pay and where to pay to get the traffic, okay, for your products. This is the difference between the winner and the other people. You know, this is in this channel. You will learn the difference. Okay, you will see if you are the winner. You probably not need much of this channel, but you're still gonna need some. But if you're not winning, if you're not making money, if you keep on spending money, or if you lost, you just don't know what you do in life, or you're like, people are telling you you're fucking stupid, you're like, oh no, you don't know what to do, or I mean, what you're doing is wrong and stuff. You keep on watching this channel. I'm gonna show you, you are not stupid, okay? We are smart people because we understand this thing earlier. Okay, just keep on watching, like I said, and we will see a lot of new things, how to do things, you know, how to make it happen. In 2 weeks from now, maybe 3, I'm working on a webinar that I'm gonna be like giving you for like for free. You will see, you will learn how to do things from A to Z, step by step. Show me how, and all the questions and that answered. And like I said, we're gonna go deep in the secrets that nobody ever showed you. And actually, they are scared to show you, because if they show you these things, then you're going to be making money as much as they are, and you're going to compete with them for the traffic. You're going to grab some of the traffic. I'm going to show you, because I don't care about the competition. I already make money a long time ago, and I always been. And I know how to adapt to changes, okay? And I'll teach you that too also, okay? I'll teach you all my tricks, because I'm not scared when nobody copy me. You can't copy me, because you're always going to have my style. Nobody has my style. But if you copy some of it, you may at least make some money. You will make good money. You have to put your own style. You may probably make more money than me, all right? But I'm not scared from nobody to copy my style or to take my client from me. No, my clients are always mine. I know how to get them. I know how to get free traffic. I mean, not free, but somehow of like some type of easy to get clients, and how to get it a process to put the ad and everything, and also solo ads and everything. So keep on watching my channel. You will learn stuff all the time, and you will learn secrets. Okay, the secret of today is very simple. Okay, when you pick the winner products, although we need to talk about how to pick the winner product. Okay, when you pick the winner product, don't go and start right away advertising very quick. Just wait a little bit. Okay, advertise the page first. Advertise the page, the Facebook page. Okay, you need to get the people familiar, warm a little bit the people, your page and your website also. People needs to be a little bit familiar with this. This is going to take at least 2-3 weeks. Get the people warmer. Okay, trust me, this process is going to save you money, not waste of money. If you just hammer people with your product, they don't know who the heck you are. Nobody buy from people they don't know. Okay, they're going to be scared. Okay, people buy Coca-Cola because they know Coca-Cola for years. But if you bring a product from China, something, they're not gonna buy from you because they don't know who the heck are you. Okay, so let the people get familiar with you. Let them warm the audience a little bit. Then for 2 weeks, okay, spend just a little money, like $5 a day or maybe $2. I'll suggest $5 a day for like 1 week or two. When you see this website on this page, Facebook, is getting warm, it's like people start to get familiar, people liking it, people going to check what the products you're selling, etc. They're gonna be like, okay, well, this is something nice. Okay, if you don't sell to people, people wants to talk to you, it's fine. Okay, but if you start by saying the first thing I want to sell, yeah, the people, they like, okay, well, who the heck are you? All right, but if you don't offer nothing to sell, people wants to know you, and they get to know you the right way. And it's like, okay, well, this guy seems nice, or this thing seems nice. Let me see this, and etc. And what you do after is, after warming up your website and your page, Facebook, then you start doing the ad. Okay, put the ad, put like $10 at least for 1 week, and then after scale it. Okay, scale it to up if you see making more money. Okay, that's it for today. Okay, remember, you have to warm your page, you warm the Facebook page first before starting. This is a very important secret. Don't forget, my name is Jimmy. I am a businessman, and I've been making money for a long time before even e-commerce. So follow me, click on subscribe. You're gonna be watching me for a long time. Let me have fun now. Bye bye.